Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Google Lens. So what does that mean? You can easily search anything by image. For example, if we go here and we search anything, let me type here company in USA. So just we have added some text and here you can see we got the result. So let's see how we can search anything by image. Just you can use this one, search by image, then upload the file. So let me go here and select the file from my laptop, this one, then select this file. Now scroll down. Here you can see we got the results. So this one was the KFC logo. So we got all the results related to this.